Okay, guys. So today I'm gonna be playing Family Feud for Family Feud. I mean, a Wheel of Fortune for the Wii, and I'm playing on my Wii right now, guys. Okay.
Welcome, contestants, to Wheel of Fortune.
Yeah. Okay. Okay. Wait. I have Wii Speak, and I gotta use that right now. I gotta use that on me, guys. Next. Okay. I gotta turn on my Wii Speak. Get my fucking cursor off. That's my super secret Wii feature. Don't worry. Okay. Yeah. I get the. Okay. Okay. Shut up. I'm not watching this again.
Welcome, contestants, to Wheel of
Yes. Okay. Wrong arm. Extras. Contestant creator. Yes. Me. Okay. Gotta make a happy sound. Happy sound. I love my life! Yes! No, probably not that. All of you suck and I'm way better than you! No, it cut off. All of you suck and I'm way better than you! Yeah, that's probably good. You suck and I'm way better than you! That's really good right there. You... Jesus. That better have saved. Yeah, that's perfect. Sad sound. I hate you! Ah! Jesus. I'm gonna get a noise complaint. Surprised I haven't already gotten one, but whatever. I hate you! Ah! That's pretty good. Okay, now let's start the game. Oh, the microphone was in my toe. Start game. Number of players 1, yeah. I've actually played this game before, off camera. Right? But like, come on. So I will start from easy for you. Only for you. Oh yeah, happy Pride Month, by the way. Happy Pride Month! Happy Pride Month. Happy Pride Month. It's my month. It's our month. Okay, shut up.
Welcome, contestants, to Wheel of Fortune. It's now time for the $1,000 toss-up.
In a toss-up, letters are randomly revealed on the board until
Okay.
someone rings in and solves the puzzle.
That's gonna be me.
Thing is what we're looking for this time. And here we go.
Comb hair. Cool hair. Cool hair shades? That's stupid. But I think that's what it is. Guys, you should put me on the Wheel of Fortune. I will win. Wait, that's the wrong thing. Wait, I should use my Wii Speak. Oh, I forgot that I had that. E. Thank you. I love you.
Everybody out there? Let's have it, player 2.
You suck!
You've got yourself $1,000. Strong start. Let's move
I'm
on
gonna
to the
kill player 2.
$2,000 toss-up.
I mean, it's okay. He's not alive.
Now, proper name is the category. Van is all set, and here we
What
go.
could this be? Whose proper name is that? Genuinely.
Okay,
Sam. A. N. Jesus Christ, it's N. I'm being so calm right now. I am being so calm right now. N. Thank you. I love you.
Yep, that's it. $2,000. Strong start, player one. Take it away, Charlie.
Okay.
Welcome to the jackpot round.
Who is Charlie?
Jackpot, you
Genuinely.
must land on the jackpot wedge, correctly guess a letter, and then solve the puzzle.
Okay.
And
Phrase. That's our category this round.
What can this...
And player one, it's turn to start.
Oh, yeah. Spin. Thank you.
To spin the wheel, press and hold the
I
B
got
button.
that.
Then flick the Wii remote.
This could
Okay, I'll take that.
This replay
Okay, yeah, I'll just solve that right now. Guess letter. Love you. R. No.
There is an
I didn't try to guess that, but whatever was on the board. It doesn't matter.
your first
It doesn't matter. It was,
So what you do now will count.
yeah, I know that's stupid. Spin. Spin. Thank you.
Here we are, Wheel.
What do you mean stay where you are? You wanted me to stay at
You
Bancroft?
got
You
the bait.
suck! Oh my god. No. Okay. So that's just baloney. That's just garbage. That's just garbage.
900. No, next time.
That's just garbage. Okay. I'm being rigged here. Oh, and he gets the gift. He gets the
Wow,
gift.
look at that.
Oh, too bad they're too stupid. Spin. Okay. Okay, I don't even know where that...
Ooh, very nice.
To be honest, I don't even know where that is. T. No, cancel. T. T.
One of them.
This game is rigged. This game is rigged. Just fall on my chair.
That prize
This game is rigged. This game is rigged. This game is rigged. Okay. Whatever. I got it right. So it doesn't matter. No. No. Spin. Spin. Spin.
Player one, it's your
I
turn.
know it is. Stop. Do you think I'm stupid? Do you think I'm stupid in the head? Do you think I'm stupid? Oh my god! I got the jackpot. I just hit the jackpot. Okay. R. It's R. I love you.
You get $500 for each letter while on the jackpot wedge.
Hell yeah.
If you can solve it right now, the jackpot will be yours.
How am I supposed to spin?
Player one, maybe next time.
Yeah, how was I even supposed to solve that?
Come on, big money.
Hell yeah, free play.
Chance to score big here.
Guess letter. T. No. T. No. T. No. 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 None of these.
That letter is in there, but don't worry, you can spin again. The free play wedge will not help you this turn, so choose
I hate
wisely.
you. Spin. Who made me speak? Who made we speak? So I want to take a max. Who made we speak so I can cancel them?
500.
T. No. I read them. I hate this game so much. What? I'm not trying to click again. I'm trying to. I hate this game. Why? Why did Toasty make me play this? Toasty know that I would. Toasty knew that I'd be bad. Oh my god. Oh my god.
500.
Dude, I'm sweating so much.
For you.
And he guessed D and he got it. Okay. Okay, like that's what I was trying to do the entire... Shut up. You sound like... You sound like somebody... I know who they are.
350.
You kind of sound like the pig from Adventure Time. Like Mr. Pig. But there's another guy from Adventure Time that you sound like. Player 3. Spin. Love you. Stop! I hate you now. No. I'm revoking my love. Could have got a million there.
500.
Holy shit. H.
Nope, sorry.
This puzzle's never gonna be solved. It's probably something stupid like... What could that even be?
Come on, big money. Jackpot. This is your chance.
Shut up. Contributing to the... That's not even... I can't even be contributing. It can't even be that. What am I talking about?
Look at that.
What am I talking about?
No,
Why would you think there's a J in there, you stupid?
You've used up your free play, so this one is...
Shut up, just go faster.
Keep it going.
Exactly, keep it going. You're right.
The bankrupt
For
got
once. I don't think I've ever gotten that, like, shiny, sparkly one before. With all the money. You know? You know what I mean? Spin! I'm not saying I love you anymore. It's just in vain. Oh, Max. Okay.
500.
N. No. N. No. N. N. No. N. 2. Oh my god. Oh my god. Jesus. Should it really be that hard? Oh my god. Spin. Thank you. Oh, I just hit my funny bone on my freaking gaming chair. Oh my god. Hatsune Miku poster, please make me feel better.
Could be trouble.
Well, that sounds really weird. I mean in like a spiritual way. G. 4.
Yes.
See what I have to deal with? You see what I have to deal with? Oh my god, my arm is still tingling from that. Spin! Thank you. Okay. Let's see. Let's do it again. Ah, come on. Just spin a little bit harder so I can get the sparkliness. D. 2. The power of 2. Boom. Okay, 2. No, 2. 2. That took way too long. That took way too long. Spin. Okay. No! Stop thinking I want to spin there. Sonny, it didn't even give me a gift or anything.
400.
V. No. V. 2. Oh, god damn it, I gotta click it.
1.
And I don't like clicking it, because it's like, I have We Speak right here. It should be working. Oh my god. Okay. 600.
600.
Okay. W. No, wait, no. Why?
2 of them. No more consonants in this puzzle.
Is that cap? Cat? I don't know what that is.
Let's have your vowel, player 1. There must be some P's. How many?
Oh, catering to your every need. That's yeah. I've heard that.
Player 1 is going to solve. Let's see if they get it.
That's what Safety Pin used to say to me. Friggin' hate Safety Pin!
That's it.
I
Let's do it. Not only did you win some cash, but you also picked up a prize along the way. Congratulations.
I got Prince Edward Island. I don't even know what that is.
We'll be back in just a second.
I hate his guy. I hate this guy's face. I hate his face. I want him away from me, actually.
The category is food and drink.
Okay, what is that?
And our first spinner.
What is that? What could that possibly be? Why can't we just gotten a short one? This game is gonna last forever. Okay. Okay. Spin. Spin. Thank you. Okay.
400.
R. Okay, 2.
There is and
How could it be an M or an R? How could you... An M or that doesn't even sound any alike. Spin. No.
900.
Okay. S.
Yes.
I'm so smart. Like they should. I should go to like what is it called? They should like make me the next like really smart person. Like I should do the smart jobs.
Player 1, back to
Shut
you.
up. Spin. Spin. Jesus, it's like it doesn't even know what I'm saying. Like, oh my god.
Here we are, Wheel. 500.
Oh my god. T. No. No, please don't fail me. T. No. T. No. T. No. T. No. T. No. No. No.
You know what? There's none of those. Sorry.
I want to throw something. I'm going to throw something.
This could be
I just threw my hands. Oh, and he gets it!
500.
Oh! Okay, I'm glad we didn't get it. Otherwise, I would have thrown something. I would have thrown my Wii remote. I just threw a handsome Squidward figure because I didn't know what to throw. And I don't want to throw my Wii remote because I only have 2 of them and I can't buy more of them.
There are 2.
Oh, yeah! That could have been me with 5,000. No, wait.
All right, a vowel for you.
I can't count!
Sorry.
With $7,000! Spin. No. Spin!
What are you going to do?
Oh, it's almost like I said spin! God. Oh my god. 900! H.
Yes, there is an A.
Wait. Something mashed potatoes. Something mashed potatoes. Something mashed potatoes. I'm gonna buy a vowel.
Let's have your vowel. There must be some A's. How many?
Parmesan. Is that Parmesan? Parmesan. Is that how you spell Parmesan, though?
Buy a vowel. Yep, we got 2.
No, it's
for
not
you.
Parmesan.
Let's stick those up there.
I love mashed potatoes. They're like my favorite food, actually. What is that?
Let's have your vowel. 2 of them.
Garlic mashed potatoes. Garlic mashed potatoes. Garlic mashed potatoes. Garlic mashed potato. Solve. Forgot to use the
Let's
we
have
speak
your
the other
solution
time.
then, player 1.
Shoot. Wait, no, I'm a dumb. Garlic. No, actually, none of those. Garlic. Mashed. Potatoes. I love you.
That's it.
I love garlic mashed potatoes. That's like my favorite food. Oh my god.
All right, player 1.
Stop getting so close to my face. Ew, why do I like
We'll
it?
be back after
Ew.
this.
Ew. It's only because I want the money. It's only because I want the money. It's only for the money.
Welcome to the mystery round.
Oh no.
One mystery round.
Okay, I played this off screen and I clicked the thing and I got the bankrupt and the other person got the 10K.
That's our puzzle, and here goes player 3.
God. Oh, I thought I was doing it. What landmark has a hyphen in it?
500. No. Bad
Golden Gate Bridge. No. Oh my god, what the hell is that? Spin.
Player 1, go ahead.
Yeah, I'm trying, stupid. Suck.
You don't want that. Get out of there.
Eat my lead dispenser! God! I hate this game so much. Toasty, I'm gonna get you after this for making me play this.
300 is an R.
Could have been my R, by the way. Could have been my R. Could have been my stolen from me. Stolen from me by him.
All right, a vowel for
Freaking
you.
Ron Weasley over here stole my R.
Could be trouble.
Oh, could be
Ooh,
trouble.
very nice. You got it.
Then he gets the freaking money, and I get screwed. 7K. 7K. Oh, and he gets the 1,000. He gets the Twasty's flippy one. Oh, but he doesn't get it because he sucks. Because this is easy mode. This is easy mode. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. Spin. I'm so dumb.
Player 1, back to you.
Yeah, I know, actually. I'm not dumb. You think I'm dumb? I think I'm dumb. I think I'm dumb. Think I'm just happy.
Our wheel.
Why does this game actually hate me? Like, legitimately hate me.
Could be trouble. Ooh, the bankrupt.
Oh my god. At least he gets the bankrupt. And I get bankrupt, lose a turn. And I didn't even have any money. Why don't we just give it all to freaking player 3, huh? Why don't we just give it all to him? Yeah. Give him all the money. Spin. Spin, yeah. Oh my god.
500.
T. Oh. T. T. Thank you. Oh my god.
Yes.
All that for 1 T. All that for 1 T. Oh my, I'm guessing I'm buying a vowel. I don't.
All right, a vowel for player 1. 4.
Oh yeah, I knew it. Trans-Alaska Railroad. What if I'm right? What if I just solve it right now?
What are you going to do?
I'm actually gonna try. I don't have anything to lose. I am so done with this game. Alaska Railroad. No, what the Railroad. You know what? Is that even how many letters railroad has? I'm just gonna put it in. I'm so done. Oh, wait, it cannot be railroad. Trans-Alaska Railroad. I'm just gonna keep saying that until it gives me something. Railroad. 1. No. 1. I don't even know. That sounds kind of right.
No, sorry.
It's Trans-Alaska something. Unless I'm wrong. But I don't know what's in Alaska. I've never associated with Alaska. Oh man, this game really hates Ron Weasley. And I understand, actually. Why do they love freaking Owen from Total Drama Island over here? Like, what are we doing?
900. Nope, sorry.
What are these freaking computer player sound effects? Spin. Okay, 900.
900.
It's something Alaska. We know that. We're gonna put it in.
Yep, we got 2 letters for you. Let's get those up there.
I have no idea what that could be. Is it something stupid like monument? Does monument fit in that? What even is a Trans-Alaska monument?
600.
I don't know. I'm curious now.
Yes.
No, it can't be that. What could this be? I don't know. I don't know anything about freaking Alaska.
Come on, big money. Good opportunity here.
Guess letter. I keep forgetting to do We Speak on these. Like, actually, I'm sorry. I know it's more entertaining when I do We Speak, but it's, like, easier when I don't. K! This is why. This is why it's easier when I don't. K! It's right there. I could just click on it, but I gotta do... K! No. K! K! 1! 1
of them.
Oh, Trans-Alaska Airline. Oh, wait, no, it's not airline.
You are no longer under the protection of the free play wedge.
What
Let's have your
is
vowel,
that?
Player 1. There must be some keys. How many?
Timeline? That's not a monument, though. No, I mean landmark.
Is going to buy a vowel. There are 2 of those. The rest of the vowels are gone.
Limeline? Oh, what is that? What is that? Landline. Linda line. Lincoln Loud. I don't know what that is.
It's your turn.
Spin. No, spin. Oh, pipeline. Is it pipeline? Is it pipeline? I don't even know what a, like I've heard that word before, but I don't know what it is.
450.
It's pipeline.
You got it. We have run out of consonants.
Wait, I solved it. Wait, I solved it though.
Player 1.
Wait, is that just what?
Choosing to solve the puzzle.
I solved it. Oh.
Aren't you the clever one?
What? Oh, that's from
This
previous.
was also
Okay.
a prize puzzle.
Okay.
What do we have, Charlie?
Keep your eyes on the sea.
I get to go to Alaska now. Now I can figure out what a Trans-Alaska pipeline is.
Get up close and personal with glaciers and Alaska's.
Dude, I want to eat a glacier. Like, that looks so... Oh, wow. That looks so yummy. Like, I can't even lie.
You won a prize and all that cash as well.
Oh, thank you. Alaska. Like that one Elmo meme when he's like, the Rocco is talking to that one girl. I don't know. I forgot her name. Friggin'
It's also
Alaska.
time again. This is our $3,000 puzzle. People is the category. Let's go.
Bro,
Brad.
I don't even know. My mom. Guinness. Business. Business owner. Business owner.
That's it.
$3,000 in my pocket. Give it to me, direct deposit.
Because you won the last toss-up.
Okay, I think this is the final thing. This is the final thing right here.
Now we're looking for thing.
Oh, and it was...
Our
Okay.
spinner will be player 1.
Oh, yeah. It's me. Oh, I forgot to do We Speak, whatever. We Speak hates me, so, like, I just forget about it. Because, like, my brain, like, automatically tunes it out because it know it's, like, such a struggle. T. Yeah.
Yes.
Freaking... Why is it, like, all the long ones? Like, like, why? Like, why does this game hate me? I keep forgetting to freaking use We Speak. This is the whole freaking point of this microphone. I keep forgetting to use it.
300.
N.
Sorry, none of those.
So there's no N in the entirety of the... Okay. So you just hate me. Ugh. I thought we had something special here. But I guess we didn't.
450. Nope, sorry.
Oh. Oh my god, it's the final spin. I'm gonna
Alright,
win.
I'm going to spin it. Each consonant. is
I'm gonna
worth
win unless somebody on here
$1,000.
rolls the $1 million. But other than that, I'm gonna win. Why did it just take a long pause on his face? Oh, so freaking player 3 gets the final spin.
900. And we start with you, player 3. A letter, please.
Oh. R. Q. Me. Nice you. R. 2.
There are 2 of those.
Street. Skip. Whatever, I'm just gonna click it. Frick you, We Speak. It's street something.
You got it. And 15 seconds starting now.
Street cross sign. Is it street cross sign? Isn't it crossing? That's really stupid.
3. Yep, we got 2
No,
letters for
street.
you. Let's get those up there. All right, no money for vowels, but they can be important. And you'll get the 15 seconds.
What is that?
Player 1.
Am I dumb? E. I don't even care. Oh, there's no... Oh, what is that? I don't even know.
Yes, there is an O, Vowels can be useful even though they aren't
So
working.
it's not street. What the hell is that? I'm done with using We Speak. We Speak has tested me, and boom.
Sorry.
I'm done with We Speak.
No, sorry.
What the freak? What is that? Oh, I have no idea.
You know what? There's none of those.
I don't know what that is. I don't... What could that possibly be?
No, next time.
Freaking stupid. Stupid hole. But there's no H. I don't even know what that is. F.
No, bad luck.
Just letting them do it. Just do it for me. I don't even care.
This puzzle, sorry. You know what? There's none of those.
Just letting them guess all the wrong answers for me.
There must be some. See, how many? Now you have 15
Strict.
seconds to try
It's
to solve the
strict.
puzzle with your ears.
Strict. Bleh. Bleh. I don't know what that is. Something cone? Did we guess an N yet?
Player 2.
I don't solve it.
Nope, sorry.
Don't solve it, man. Get this wrong, player 3.
There is an I. The vowels are gone now.
I don't even know what that is. What could that be? What could that...
Player 1.
Oh, strict dress code. I'm an idiot.
2 of them.
I'm actually an
No
idiot.
more consonants.
But that's not really a thing. It's more of like an idea.
Player 1.
They should have put
Trying to solve the
nouns.
puzzle.
You dummy.
You got it. Very nice.
You should have put nouns. Because that's not really like a thing.
All right, you won some more money.
Well, it is a thing,
you
but
ready
like
for more?
it's more of an idea. You know what I mean?
We'll be moving on to the bonus.
Of course I am. I'm way better than these people. That's why I made my thing.
Second place is not a bad.
I'm
place
way better
to
than
be
you.
when won this much cash. The wheel gave you a little trouble there, but you still did all right.
Pro player 3 got nothing. I got 40K and player 3 got nothing.
Give the wheel a good spin if you would.
Okay. Oh, 3 stars, like the object show that Toasty
the
forced
prize
me to
envelope
watch. I actually liked it.
Mark the category.
Okay, so I get this long for
T-L-N-E. Let's
that better
try
like
this
cover
one.
like every single one of them. Oh, it kind of did. But I still have no idea what that is.
Pick 3 more consonants and a vowel.
H, Y, D, A.
Let's see those letters.
National,
All right, you have 30
national,
seconds to work this out.
national,
Good luck.
national yard. What is that? Is that corn? No, I don't know what that is. Torn. Just give me stuff. Just give me anything. Learn. Turn. Yearn. I don't know. I'm going Eden. I don't know what this is. It's probably something that I know, but it's probably not. Yard. 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 No, wait, it can't be yard. I'm an idiot. Yard. 1. I have no idea. I don't even care.
That's right. I'm afraid that's incorrect.
I don't even know what that is.
Nope.
I don't even know where that is!
Sorry you couldn't take this prize home as well, but look at what you've actually won.
Oh, so I didn't get 100K. Whatever. I got 40K. Wow! I wanted Las Vegas stage, but whatever. Whatever.
Bye. Thanks for playing. Here's how you did.
I did so great, guys, but I didn't freaking win the last thing. I got Alaska and Prince Edward Island. Yeah. Bye. That was Wheel of Fortune. Bye.